Do you ever struggle with birds' nests, thread getting caught in the bobbin, underneath the hoop, and don't know how to get it out of there? How challenging it is when your project is stuck on the machine because you have a huge knot of thread stuck between the bottom of the stabilizer and the machine. Well, I've got a great tool for you today to share with you on how to quickly, easily, and effectively remove those birds' nests. Hi, I'm Dawn from Creative Appliques. Thanks for joining me on my channel today. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for being here. And if you're new, please click on that subscribe button down below, and then right next to that, click that bell to be notified when I upload new content. If you're intrigued about finding out what this new tool is that I want to share with you today, stay tuned. So this is Designs and Machine Embroideries Bird's Nest tool. And so what is in here is some replacement blades. These are super sharp, guys. These are like surgical knives. And then here is the bird's nest. You have a hook and then a stitch releaser right here. So that's literally like a scalpel. And so you take the hook and you use the hook to pull the thread, and then you use the knife to kind of saw it off. So you can see here, this is nice and long. It is 9 inches. This is 9 inches long. So it's a nice long hook. And then this is the knife here. And you remove the cap. And that there is the knife part. And so now we're going to show you how to use it. So if you see up under here, all that thread, that's a bird's nest. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the hook and I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to lift up on the hoop, and I'm going to take the hook this way and pull it towards me to kind of lift it up. And then I'm going to take the knife and I'm going to go back away from me. Okay, so now I'm pressing up with my hand on the hoop and I have the hook and I'm pulling it towards me, and I'm going to take the knife between the machine and the hook and just go away from myself. And that easily, it all came off. That's the mess. And so now you can see here all the thread that got in there that I need to pull out. But it's that easy to use that bird's nest tool. Well, I hope you found this little tool to be quick, easy, and effective with removing that bird's nest that I had. And that was a nasty knot that was stuck under there, and there was no way I was going to be able to get that hoop off my machine without first trimming all that thread. So if you'd like to get one of these yourself, you can get one from the Designs and Machine Embroidery website, but please use my link below so that they know that I sent you. So remember, if you are new, please subscribe and click the bell next to it to be notified when I upload new content. And also, please, if you enjoy this content, click that like button, that thumbs up button, so I know you enjoy my content and I will keep making more. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this product, if it's something that you absolutely have to have. It made my life much easier when I had that bird's nest, and what you think of it. So until next time, make your life creative. Bye for now.